Everyone said the light was gone forever, but I knew it was just waiting.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of amazing video or AI films or AI movies that you can easily upload on your channels and earn money. For example, you can see this channel. This channel uploaded only 69 videos and earned 100,000 plus subscribers. And if you see the videos, you can see some of their videos crossed 1 million. You can see this is a simple video. This is also an AI video. This is also an AI video, and this is also an AI video. So like this, you can also create videos with just single prompt and create your own YouTube channel and start earning money. So if you see, the earning of this channel is making more than $1,000 to $16,000 per month, and this is their yearly earning. And if you see here, this is the top, rank of this channel. And if you see here, these are the money that is earning day by day. So as the very first step, you need to go here Flova AI and sign up with your email account. After sign up, you will see here this is a big dashboard where you can create your videos and your videos in a single platform. For example, I just enter here a simple and quick prompt. I don't write the story, I just written this prompt, and here I just enter this prompt here. So here I just creating a 30-second offshoot of my video. For example, here I can just create 1 minute or more than 1 minute, but for now, for making this tutorial shorter, I just creating 30 seconds short story. And here in the models, you can select seed-ons and 20 plus AI models that you can use inside this. So you don't need to jump over other AI tools, just like other AI tools they are giving you small or limit of AI tools that you can include here. You can also select the seed-on, mid-journey, or hypersonic and other. So here you can also add the skills. For example, if you don't know how your video can be produced, so this here you can review the skill, and you can review the content of the skill and use your skill here. So this is a very amazing thing that you can easily add your skills. For example, just like in cloud AI, you can add some of skills to improve your coding skills or so on. So here in this tool, you can add your skills or already built skills to create your video more amazing. In the asset library, you can also select the assets, or you can also upload your own assets. For example, if you have already created the character images and so on, so you can also upload your assets here. So here I just simply click on generate. Now this is amazing thing of this tool are starting. This is not just of creating video. So here it will ask some questions to you, which kind of video and so on. So it start chatting with you, and then it will start generating video. I mean, not only generate the video, it give the detail how your video can be looks like and get the details from you. For example, you can see here, use my description, add mirror character, girl speak to herself in her models. So I just select this one. So here I just select next, and here I say warm dark. So here is asking what visuals, so I just say warm, and here is I just give the answers. So it asks you just more details, and you just give the details to create more precise video. So this is an amazing thing. So now it's just generating the full scenes of your video, and then it can ask some more questions. You can see it's asked again. So confirm the script or adjust the script. So you can say confirm. You can, if you want to adjust your script, you can also adjust. So I just say confirm and click on send. So now our script has been confirmed. Here you can see read out your script, and if you want to make changes on your script, you can also do. But for now, I just say confirmed this script. So now we see how this produce the video. So now the video specifications. So these video specifications has gotten by Flova. So this thing is very amazing. I mean, it takes the full information from you and then start the video creation. So this is very amazing thing that separate this tool from other AI video generation tools. Now it's generating the assets, for example, your character images and other things, for example, backgrounds and seeing other things. And after that, it's generating the parts of your video. So you can see these are 6 parts, for example, five. Sorry. So these are 5 parts, and then it will start writing the generating the video. Now it's asking the voiceover, so I just say generate voiceover using the narration model. Use the C dance audio, so I just say C dance audio section. So here, if you want to upload your own voice, you can also do that. So I just select this one, and now it's, you can see here in the left sidebar, you can see it has generated the scenes. You can see the images of the characters and described the character very well. You can also change the character if you want to do. Now you can see it has amazingly done. You can see this is the audio separately done. This is the scene, and scene by scene this is amazingly done. If you play here the video, you can see the music.
Everyone said the light was gone forever, but I knew it was just waiting.
You can see this is amazingly done. I love this because this has been created as it's precisely that I want. You cannot imagine my feeling. I just enter a single prompt in the start of the video. You can see I just added a single prompt, and then it has been generated an amazing, clear, an amazing video for us, including voiceover and the sound effects. So this is how you can create this kind of amazing videos using Flova AI. This is not a video generating tool. This is an amazing video editor and a full platform where you can generate any kind of videos for you. For example, if you want to create the ads, for example, you can create UGC ads videos for you. I mean, the product ads or the horror stories, the football videos, anything that you want to create with Flova AI is possible. This is not a single tool. This is a full video editor tool where you can create any kind of the video within just single prompt. If you talk about the pricing of the video, if you sign up here, you get the 100 credits, and the exploration bonus is 200 credits. For example, 100 is credit for sign up and 200 is credit for exploring this Flova AI, and 300 credits will be free for you. And then if you upgrade to just $16 per month, it will give you more than 3000 subscribers. And there you can see these are the specifications that you can get. These all the AI models and everything that you need. So within just $16 you can enjoy more than 20 plus AI video generation tools in just within Flova AI. If you go with the monthly plan, within just only $20, you can get all the 20 plus AI tools that you can create AI videos for you. So this is the full pack of AI tools that you can use with free of cost with Flora. For example, in the start of the video, I show you how you can select the AI models, for example, Sedans, Hypergenus, and Kling AI, and then the Kling 3.0, VO3, and Sora. Everything that you can use here without any extra charges or connecting other tools with the Flova AI. So this is a connected and combined website where you can use the combined tool within just few seconds. So this is how. So by using Flova AI, you can just create your own AI filming or short story channel that can go viral on the YouTube. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and don't forget to visit Flova AI. This amazing tool can change your life.